That's heaven right here on earth, y'all. Look at this beautiful view. Coming film out this morning. We're out here in nature. Who couldn't love it? Who couldn't appreciate it? Nature Talks. We out here enjoying this beauty. Tell me if that ain't beautiful, guys. Tell me. Good morning. Good afternoon. Wherever you are. Maybe even good evening somewhere across the world. Thought of the day, be grateful. Earth and the fullness thereof belongs to the Most High Creator. We're here to just enjoy it. Good morning. How are you?
Good. How
You getting it in?
I need to come out here with you.
Look at her get it in. Beautiful queen. Getting it in.
Yes.
Word of the day for you? Oh, I don't want to put nobody on that didn't ask. What's your word of the day for Nature Talks?
Just breathe.
Breathe. Inhale, exhale.
Take some deep breaths.
I like it. I love it.
All is well. Just breathe.
I know that's
Get
right.
the breath.
Try living without that breath, right? Y'all be grateful. Y'all be blessed. You guys be happy, fulfilled. Don't focus on happiness. Focus on accountability and responsibility, the Spirit says, and happiness will be the byproduct. Silence the mind and you will awaken from the dream of thought.